Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Tesla Model 3 door lights. This is a simple upgrade that can significantly enhance your car's interior ambience. Before we begin, make sure you have your new lights and a plastic trim removal tool ready. Safety first. Always power down your vehicle completely to avoid any electrical issues. The process is quite simple, involving just a few steps to achieve a brighter, more personalized look for your Tesla. Now let's remove the old door light. Using your plastic trim removal tool, gently insert it into the small gap at the bottom edge of the light. Apply slight pressure and carefully pry the light downwards. It should pop out with minimal effort, as it's held by two small clips. Once it's loose, you'll see the electrical connector. Simply press the small tab on the connector and pull it away from the old light. Set the old light aside. With the old light removed, it's time to install your brand new one. First, take your new light and carefully align its electrical connector with the harness coming from the door panel. Push the connector firmly until you hear a satisfying click, confirming a secure electrical connection. Next, position the new light into the opening in the door panel. Ensure the top edge goes in first, then gently push the bottom edge upwards until it snaps securely into place. It should sit flush with the door panel. Finally, let's test your new door light. Power on your Tesla Model 3 and open the door to check if the new light illuminates properly. If you've replaced multiple lights, be sure to check each one to ensure they are all working as expected. The new lights should provide a brighter, clearer projection, significantly improving your car's interior. Congratulations, you've successfully upgraded your Tesla's door lights, adding a touch of personal style and enhanced visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.